Good afternoon. Beautiful weekend to us all coming up. Well, here in Queensland it's absolutely beautiful. I hope wherever you are it is spectacular in whatever way that is for you. This afternoon I wanted to do a quick little chat about personal self-worth, self-belief, personal trust because one of my very good clients has had several things go on with close family members and close friends that have just made her feel unloved, unworthy. Well, that's probably the main thing, and very, very sad. So I had a quick muscle test of some flower essences, and I thought I would use those flower essences through the balance to sort of work out where we're going to go with this. So for a start, once again, just run your central meridian. Just get that energy going to your conscious brain. Little switching points anti-clockwise over your heart. Just gets the energy going left, right sides of the brain, front, back of your brain. Helps the logical and creative connect. And once again, that little central meridian again for you. Beautiful. Okay. Ring it out, ring it out, ring it out. So the first flower essence I want to use is Angel Sword. So Angel Sword flower essence, it's an Australian bush flower essence, and it's to do with taking on other people's negativity. How often do we get on the phone, someone's upset, someone's angry, and we get off feeling that same way, or we can't stop thinking about them, or we feel somehow it's our responsibility to make them feel better, or we feel like somehow there must be some way we can help, or we just get off feeling upset or angry or whatever was going on in their life. We've taken it on. Many people on the planet are empaths, so Angel Sword is about that energy that we just take on and we need to release. So nice deep breath and feel your body and just pay attention for a moment. Is there some place where the energy is tight or congested or there's pain? Those might be the areas where you've taken on something of someone else. For me, across my shoulder blades is really quite stiff at the moment. You imagine that monkey on your back, that energy you can't let go of. So what I want you to do is breathe in and imagine white or golden light going to the areas where you're in pain or you're feeling stiff or you're not feeling much movement. And when you're breathing out, I want you to release negativity. So breathing in, energy to that area that's feeling stress or tension. And breathing out, release the negativity. Pay attention again. Where is it next? Breathe in and out. And breathe in. And breathe out. Allow that relaxation to happen. I release all negative energy that's attaching to my energy fields. I release all negativity that I've taken on from other people. Okay. The next one is called Five Corners. Five Corners is an Australian bush flower essence. It's part of the personal power essence combination. And it's about when you don't want to be seen, when someone's made you feel this big and you want to go hide in a corner. So Five Corners is about owning your energy, owning your self-love, owning your self-worth, your self-belief, owning your confidence. I am happy and confident in everything I do. I have confidence in my friendships. I am worthy. am happy and confident in everything I do. I am worthy. I deserve to be seen. Okay, shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. And the last flower essence that Muscle tested up is Boab. Boab is for family crap. It's for those things that our family members have passed on to us over our lifetime that we have taken on as a truth. You're fat, you're ugly, you're stupid, you're dumb, you're a featherhead, you're worthless. You'll never finish anything. You've never been able to complete anything in your life. Any of that sound familiar or something similar? So Boab, the Boab energy is for when your energy isn't your own. Someone says something to you and you start to feel all of that stuff from your childhood. You start to feel all of that stuff from a bad relationship. Boab is about letting it go. Angel Sword is about not taking it on any longer. And Five Corners is about owning your personality, owning your truth, owning your energy, owning your confidence. So Boab, I choose to live my own life and nobody else's. I choose my own path in life. I am happy being me. I am happy, I am loved, I am lovable. I am worthy of love, I am worthy of belief. I am trustworthy, I am trusted, I trust my own energy. I am worthy of trusting my inner guidance. I no longer need anyone else's opinions to make me me. I no longer need anyone's opinions to make me me. I am working on being the best version of myself each and every day. I am working on being the best version of myself each and every day. I am happy being me. Have a spectacular weekend. Love to you all.